Configuring the graphics settings in Red Dead Redemption 2 can enhance your gaming experience by optimizing performance and visual quality. Follow these steps to adjust the settings effectively. Step 1. Access the graphics settings. Launch Red Dead Redemption 2 and navigate to the main menu. From there, select Settings and then choose Graphics to access the graphics configuration options. Step 2. Choose the resolution. In the Graphics Settings menu, find the Resolution option. Select the resolution that matches your monitor's native resolution for the best visual clarity. High resolutions provide better detail but may impact performance. Step 3. Adjust graphics quality. Look for the graphics quality preset option. You can choose from low, medium, high, or ultra settings. Start with a medium setting and adjust based on your system's performance to find a balance between visuals and frame rate. Step 4. Customize advanced settings. Scroll down to the advanced graphics settings. Here, you can tweak individual settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. Adjust these settings according to your hardware capabilities and personal preference. Step 5. Save and test. After making your adjustments, save the settings and return to the game. Test the performance and visual quality during gameplay. If necessary, revisit the settings to make further adjustments until you achieve the desired experience. By following these steps, you can optimize your graphics settings in Red Dead Redemption 2 for an enhanced gaming experience. Enjoy your adventures in the Wild West.